In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete forms in Asana projects. If you've been using Asana to manage your projects, you might have come across the need to manage or organize your forms better. At times, deleting an unnecessary or outdated form can be a useful step in keeping your project workspace tidy and efficient. Let's dive into the process and break it down step by step to help make this task as simple and straightforward as possible. First, you need to open the specific project that contains the form you wish to delete. This is your starting point because within Asana, every project can have its own unique set of forms tailored to its specific needs. Once you've opened the right project, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Customize. Click on this button. The customization options allow you to tailor various aspects of your project, and this is also where forms management takes place. Upon clicking Customize, go ahead and look for the section titled Forms. When you click on Forms, you'll be presented with a list of all the existing forms that are linked to this particular project. Seeing this list will give you a clear overview of what forms are currently active and available for use within your project settings. Now, to proceed with deleting a form, you need to identify which one you wish to remove. Hover your cursor over the form's name within the list. As you do this, you should notice a small icon with 3 dots appear next to it, often referred to as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on this icon. The 3-dot menu is really handy for accessing additional actions that you can take on an item, especially for things like editing, duplicating, or, in our case, deleting a form. Once you have opened the 3-dot menu, you'll see an option to delete. Select this option to proceed with deleting the form. Don't worry if you accidentally open the wrong menu. Asana's design allows you to back out easily and hover over the right form to bring up the correct option again. And there you go. You've successfully deleted a form from your Asana project. This simple action helps keep your project organized by removing any forms that are no longer needed, allowing you to focus on the current and most relevant tasks at hand. Remember, maintaining a clean and well-functioning project workspace not only helps with efficiency, but also makes collaboration with team members smoother. If you had any troubles following this guide, don't hesitate to replay the steps or reach out for help through Asana's support resources. Happy organizing!